Welcome to Solar Depot Nigeria, your one-stop shop for renewable energy products and services.
Are you a business owner or an homeowner based in Nigeria, yet you need to power your home or your business 24/7? Come, let me show you something.
We recently installed a 41 kilowatt PV capacity solar solution for a home in Lagos. Here's the finished look, but before then, let us go back to the beginning. For the first phase of this project, we started by installing the solar panels on the roof of the mansion. There are 80 panels in total. At this point, we're already done with the installation of the solar panels on the rooftop, and then we moved into the second phase of this project. We selected the ideal work area for this installation, and then we started drilling for the wall mount. Then we went right into unboxing our batteries and inverters. For this project, we used 3 units of 10 kVA Victron-Fronius inverter and a 20 kilowatt Fronius inverter. This is what the final installation looks like. If you want to install a solar solution for your home or your business, do well to call the numbers showing on your screen. And please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Thank you.